Minimalist has become one of my favorite brands, and here is another review from that brand as you guys requested. And this is my review of the 10% lactic acid and 1% hyaluronic acid from Minimalist. So stay tuned till the end to know all about this product, how amazing it is, and how both beginners as well as intermediates can benefit from this product. So welcome back. This is MAITRAYEE HALDER. I do post a lot of skincare content mixed with couple of random content that I really like. So if you are into that genre and you like my content, then do subscribe and hit on that bell notification to get notified every time I upload. And do not forget to follow me in my Instagram. I'm more active there, and you also get to be a part of what goes into my videos, such as this one. So after using like 3 weeks, I'm finally posting my review of this product right here, which is from Minimalist, and this is their 10% lactic acid with 1% hyaluronic acid. Now, if you are not familiar with this brand, Be Minimalist or Minimalist is a brand which is newly launched in India, and all of their products are fragrance and essential oil free, colorant free, paraben free, silicones free, and also they do mention pH of some of the products, such as this one. So let's just quickly brief off the claims of the product. So this product claims itself to be a skin regenerating serum which contains 10% lactic acid and 1% hyaluronic acid that mildly exfoliates without drying your skin too much and revealing a clear and hydrated skin, having a pH of 3.4 to 4. So going on with the main juice of any of my reviews, which is the ingredient list. So as always, I'll be mentioning the goods and the bads. Starting off with the goods, the first ingredient being the aloe vera juice. The majority of their serums are based upon aloe vera juice instead of water. So the base being the aloe vera juice is really beneficial to someone who is good with aloe vera juice. Now aloe vera juice or aloe vera is an anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial, and it also has many healing and soothing properties. As this product exfoliates your skin, aloe vera juice can really soothe your skin from all the exfoliation that is being happening. Now this is a lactic acid serum. The second ingredient is L-lactic acid. Now lactic acid is a form of AHA, and AHA is an alpha hydroxy acid, lactic acid being much more gentler than glycolic acid. And if you want to know in depth about what is lactic acid, what is AHAs, what is BHA, and even PHA, then you can go ahead and watch my chemical exfoliation guide, and that video will solve out all the chemical exfoliation queries that you guys might have. Now lactic acid is much more hydrating, so this product will give you the hydration as well as the exfoliation properties. Now lactic acid is present in nature. It can be found in a lot of milk products and byproducts such as curd, meat, and even beer. Lactic acid can be found in two types, which is L-lactic acid, which they used, and also D-lactic acid. Now L-lactic being the most commonly used form of lactic acid, and this product has it as the second ingredient. Now, fun fact about lactic acid is that it can be really beneficial if you have keratosis pilaris. Now, I would be making a separate keratosis pilaris video or KP video. In that, I will mention the properties of lactic acid, and lactic acid can be found in a lot of ingrown hair problem products such as your intimate wash or a particular dedicated cream that is meant for ingrown hairs. Now, the process that these type of hydroxy acids or specifically lactic acid works is that it breaks down the stuff or the material that's holding the dead skin cells together, allowing your skin to shed more gracefully. Now, apart from lactic acid, it does contains hyaluronic acid at a percentage of about 1%, which is really nice for beginners or intermediates because too much humectants can dry out your skin, and lactic acid already providing you the hydration. Hyaluronic acid boosts up the overall hydration of the serum, and it also contains glycerin, which is another form of good humectant. Apart from the humectants, it also contains propanediol. It is a soothing agent. It will soothe your skin, calm your skin, while the lactic acid is exfoliating your skin. As the same trend of adding pullulan in the minimalist products such as kojic acid or the peel, which I have a review of both of them, you can check it in the bottom box below. This product also has pullulan. Now pullulan is an ingredient which is added to a product mainly for the viscosity and also for you getting that tightening feeling that you get by applying this serum. It also contains the turmeric root extracts such as the AHA peel, and that is why you see a tint of yellow in this particular product, but it is listed under other preservatives. So I'm guessing the percentage is way below 1%. And if you are allergic to turmeric root, please do a patch test. Even if you are not allergic to it, please do a patch test first and then use it. But turmeric has a really beneficial property of being both antibacterial, antimicrobial, anti-aging, and all of that good stuff. It has been used since ages in India or the Southeast Asia, and the whole entire world apparently loves turmeric for its amazing medicinal properties. And lastly, it does contain decent preservatives, and this is something that is rare to be seen in Indian brands being this cheap. Now coming to the bad part of the product, I do not think there is anything bad, but you should be cautious of two ingredients, that is aloe vera and also turmeric root. If you are allergic to any of these, then you might skip this product. But me myself, being allergic to turmeric, the natural kind, not the artificial kind, the natural turmeric does irritates my skin, but I didn't find this product to be irritating or causing any breakouts. Now coming on to couple of product specifications, starting with the texture. Now this product particularly has a little bit runnier texture than the other products that I have tried from this brand. This product does absorb pretty quickly, and it has a similar consistency which lies between toner or essence and a serum, and it also doesn't leave any sticky kind of feeling. Coming to the potency, now this product is a high potent product because it uses lactic acid at 10%. Now lactic acid is meant to be worked from between 5% to 12%, and this includes 10%, so it is no way a beginner friendly product. But I will mention a way in which beginners can also use this product in my application part of this video. This product also contains hyaluronic acid at 1%, but this product I will suggest you guys, if you are using it as a serum, then only intermediate should use it, and always do a patch test. Coming to the packaging, it comes in a glass transparent dropper bottle. Now lactic acid doesn't really oxidizes that much, so I'm not concerned about that, but I would have really liked a pump packaging, and this is something, if they do, this brand would be way off league of any existing brand. Coming to the price range, minimalist products lies under the price range of about 450 rupees to 700 rupees, and this price range is really affordable because you get quality products which is fragrance free, and also this is bang for your buck. And it retails for 599 rupees for 30 ml of product. You can get both in Amazon and their website, and if you are curious about getting genuine products from Amazon, the kojic acid and the lactic acid both were ordered from Amazon, and this is a genuine product, so don't worry. Coming to the main part, which is the application and how you should use it. Now as I mentioned, both beginners and intermediates can use it. I have also mentioned this product in my Be Minimalist guide, which contains all products and mentioning how you should use it, what it has, and what you can expect from using that product. If you want to see that video, the link would be in the description box. But this product should be used by an intermediate as a serum, and if you are a beginner and you want to use it as a peel. Now first I'll mention how you can use it as a peel. Use it as you will use any chemical exfoliation peel. So first cleanse your skin. If you want to apply a toner, you can go ahead, but I will suggest you not to, because you need to apply any kind of peel on a dry skin. So first cleanse your skin, dry your skin, then apply this product, avoiding your eye area and your mouth area. You can also apply it on your neck, let it sit for around 10 minutes and then wash it off. Do your necessary aftercare such as toning essence, moisturizer, serum, anything that you might prefer, and always use a peel at the night time, and at the daytime do not forget your SPF. And you should use a peel about once or twice a week, not more than that. For intermediates, you can use it as a serum, but the correct way of using this serum is to first cleanse your skin, tone your skin. If your skin is okay with a damp skin and exfoliating acids, then you can go ahead, but if you are not, wait a little bit after the toner, then apply the serum, then let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Now this time gap is really important because you need this exfoliating peel or any kind of exfoliating serum to actually work and go into the layers. And if you do not let your skin this resting period, then the product might mix with the other skincare products that you might be applying on the top, and that might give you a much diluted result that you might be wanting from a high exfoliating serum such as this one. So give your skin 2 to 3 minutes time, and after that you can go ahead with any of your serums, essence or moisturizers, and of course use it once daily. And I would always recommend any kind of exfoliating serums at the night time, and always apply an SPF because you do not want all your efforts to go in vain. You can apply every alternate days. I won't suggest you guys to apply it every single day, but but what you can do is apply every alternate days or 2 to 3 times a week, and it can go pretty much well with any kind of serums or actives. Just make sure the active that you are putting after this is not an exfoliating one, such as another AHA or another BHA. You can apply vitamin C, but you need to make sure your skin can handle it. And also, if you do use retinol or tretinoin as a treatment, then you should avoid using the serum on a particular day that you are using your tretinoin or retinol. Stay tuned for my retinol video. I will be addressing all of this, including what you can mix and cannot mix with retinol. Coming to my thoughts, I absolutely love this product. My skin doesn't really goes well with exfoliating serums, but this product didn't irritated me. I did face purging, that is just my skin. It faces purging, like even the diluted stuff. My skin is like, you need to face purging. So this product gave me purging, but it was not breakout. It was this tiny bumps that I get, especially in the forehead and on the left part of my cheek. I don't know why, but I do get a lot of purging in the left part of my cheek. But this product gave me a purging, but it went down after the 1.5 week mark. I have used this serum for about 3 weeks now, and I have seen a reduction in my pigmentation of my acne scars, and also it did help with the bumpy skin that I have in this part of my face. It felt slightly tingling around my nose area because that is the most sensitive part of my face. And I do think if you are a beginner, this is a great alternative to the Dot and Key peel, which is 10% AHA peel. It also has 10% AHA in form of lactic acids, giving you all the benefits of chemical exfoliation rather than using those walnut scrubs. Now, if you are an intermediate and you are curious about how you can incorporate a peel like this, let me know. I will make a dedicated video on how you can include actives in your existing skincare. Now, going straight with the pros and cons. The pros being, all the minimalist product is fragrance and essential oil free. This product being no different. It doesn't has any kind of fragrance, colorants, essential oil or silicones. It is also a multitasking product, meaning you can use it in both face and body too. And for body, if you have keratosis pilaris, I'll make a separate video in which I will show how you can use the serum. It can also be used by both beginners and intermediates, beginners as a peel and intermediates as a serum. So it is a really great multitasking product that can work for a lot of different skin types and skin concerns. This product also has nice humectant, mainly hyaluronic acid and glycerin. It also contains propandiol, which will soothe your skin. Antioxidant like turmeric root can really help if you are good with turmeric, and turmeric has a lot of good properties that might benefit your skin. It is also pretty affordable and it is accessible to a mass amount of audience. If you can't get Ordinary in India, I think it's a great dupe for that, and I have used the lactic acid from Ordinary, and both of them might give you a similar result. Lastly, it has good preservatives, which I'm really thankful about. Coming to the cons, I do not have any, but I did mention the allergen alert for turmeric or aloe vera. So if you are allergic to any of these, then you might reconsider. Lastly, coming on to my verdict, I absolutely love this serum as well as the other products that I'm trying from Minimalist. The squalene review, the peptide serum review and the niacinamide review will be up shortly. You guys requested a lot, so let me know how you felt. Like this video, comment down below what are your thoughts about this serum. If you have faced any kind of allergen reaction and my review contradicts what you have faced, do let me know. I like all the criticisms. It really benefits me for getting more info, because our skins are different and you should be the one to judge what goes for your skin. I'm just here to mention the goods and bads of a product. Share this video to any of your friends who are looking forward to buy this serum for their face, and if you want a gentle peel for a friend who is beginner in skincare. And lastly, subscribe to my channel, hit on that bell notification to get more updates, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye bye and take care.